Hello nieces, hello nephews, it's your Uncle Charles here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do unbiased price action analysis. Hello nieces and nephews, we got another week where the Bears got their butt kicked by the Bulls. Holy moly, we're looking at a weekly chart here. You guys can see since we hit that April low, the Bulls been doing their thing. Hit a new all-time high, hit another fib level, extension level. Holy moly, can the Bears mount some type of comeback next year? Because to me, the charts are still looking bullish, guys. Now, for this to switch bearish, you guys can see what the last level was that got cleared. And that level was the 531.8-ish to 0.5-ish level. Okay, that is a fib level, and that cleared last week. You guys can see multiple times in the past month it struggled to clear that level until we finally did it this past week. So that is the level to watch. That is the equilibrium level. As long as above it, we are bullish because the breakout stays intact. But if some way, somehow we break below it, especially by the end of next Friday, that would be bearish. Okay, we could have a false breakout set up on our hands. So 531.5 is the level to watch. As long as above, stay bullish. 533 is a support level as well. I have resistance level at 535, 536.36, 538, and 540. Those are the pivot levels. We get false breakouts, we look to short. We get breakdowns of support, we look to short. We break out resistant levels, or we get false breakdown setup, we look to long. That's how you use the levels to trade. All right. So say it one more time. We break down 531.5. That's when we want to get bearish based on the weekly chart, and I would favor more downside, a nice little pullback, maybe all the way back down to 524ish. Okay, but as long as above, I'm gonna stay bullish. Triple Q, you guys see this nice green candle as well. We cleared a couple of critical levels. 462 was the level I was watching, but the big fib level I was watching was at 460.5. So because of that breakout, I can't get bearish unless we break down that level. We got to break back below 460.5. So break down 462 and break down 460.5, and then I would be bearish. Okay, get some daily chart closes below those levels, and then I would be bearish. Otherwise, still looking bullish, staying above 463 and clearing 464.7 would be bullish. Follow through the trigger to go long and to put those higher targets in play. 466, 467.5, of course 470, and possibly higher. All right, guys, know the levels, know the setups. You trade it unbiasedly. You don't need to know the future. You just need to be able to react. You just need to be able to react in real time. And even on the weekly chart, you can see that Tesla is consolidating with these wicks at the top, wicks at the bottom. It's a chop zone, all right? And based on these candles, you see the chop zone is 182.6 all the way down to 173. That's almost a $9 range. Okay, so anything between 182.6 and 173 is chop. 176 is that middle level. If 176 fail, we can go test the bottom of the chop range down to 173ish, and below 173 I would be bear bias in the chop phase ends. It's like a 3-week 4-week chop here, guys. Now to be bullish, we got to clear 178, 180, and 182.6. Above 182.6, I would favor a Tesla, the fib level at 184.6. And above 184.6, I would favor a bottom is in, and I would be bull biased. All right. NVDA, you guys can see we had a good amount of buying pressure around that 1179-ish zone. And we're getting some bounces there. Okay. The last level, the last resistance level was at 1202.5 and 1200. If bulls can stay above that, could get some more upside here. All right, now it closed at 1208.8. That makes next resistant at 1210 and 1213. Okay, above 1213 I would be bull bias and favor 1227 or higher to be tested. Okay, I would switch back to bearish if we break down 1202.4 and 1200, and I would favor 1179 and possibly even lower this time to be tested. We do have a gap all the way down at 1164. Big possibility, but we got to break down the 1202.4 and 1200 level for those to be possible. Here is Apple. Welcome back, Apple. We got a look like a bullish engulfing candle here on the daily chart. We cleared 196. We cleared 196.6. We got a bunch of fib levels that are clustered together here. Overall, though, we're just clearing levels with Apple. And if Apple could stay above 196, that would be bullish. Clearing 197.7 and 199 would be bullish follow through. Okay, staying above 196 would definitely keep those levels in play. I will switch back to bearish and favor this bounce, a dead cat bounce, if we break back down 196 and 194.2. Break down 194.2, I would definitely be bear bias because look at the buying pressure we had there. So we break back below, that would be bearish and cancel that buying pressure and put the lower targets in play. All right. Here is AMD. It's trying to bounce, but overall consolidating as well. Okay. Top of the range is around 170 actually. Okay. Clear 170. I would favor some type of bottom is in or the chop is over in favor of the bulls with 174 and 175.8 in play. All right, guys. Support is at 168 and 165. 0.8, 168 and 165.8. Those levels fail, we get a drop down to 161.8 and 160. Below 160, I would be bear bias and favor the chop is over in favor of the bears. Okay, Amazon looks like it's consolidating after a big green day on Thursday. Friday was consolidating. Gotta watch out for that evening star pattern. They don't always play out, but when they do, it could be very nasty. And if it is bearish, support at 183 must fail to put 181, 179 or lower in play. It's going to be real nasty if 183 fails as support. All right, but if it stays above, bulls have a shot of more upside, but they'll have to clear 185 to put 186.8 or higher in play. Above 186.8, I'd favor a bottom is in. Google got a nice rejection from that 178.8-ish level, 179 zone. That was a fib level. If there is more fall through, then 175 and 173.7 must break down. If those levels break down, it's gonna get real bearish for GOOG because this could be a double top in the M pattern, and M patterns are bearish. Okay, I will switch back to bullish or favor a bottom is in only of 177 and 178.8 clears, and then we possibly go to new all-time highs. All right, here is Netflix. If Netflix wants to break down and give us a deeper pullback, they'll need to break down 639. If the 639 level fails, look to short and will possibly drop, probably get a good drop down to 635, 630, and possibly 625-ish, okay? But to get that bearishness going, it got to drop and break down 639, all right? If we clear 641, 643, and 645, I would be bullish, especially above 645. I would favor 647 and 650 plus back in play for Netflix. All right, guys. And here is Bitcoin. Bitcoin's pulling back. It's tested. It's retesting that macro level, fib level that I have at 69K. Bears got to defend this, or this double top is going to play out into an M pattern. If 69K fails, it's going to get real bearish. But if 69K truly bounces, then I need to see 70.1K recapture. I'll trust the bounce of 70.1K recapture. If it does, I would be bullish. I would be bullish. All right, guys. Now let's take a look at the flows. Take a look at dark pool first. This is the SPY 534. 534 was where most of the activity was. At 40% activity. 534. That was like 1.5 billion in premium. Another one, 1 billion in premium around 534. And then one at 534.6, 1.4 billion. So big activity around the 534-ish level. Okay, guys. Here's the option flow. All right. Keep in mind, guys, Uncle paid for this stuff. I paid for this stuff. You guys, I'm giving it to you for free. If you guys want more, definitely could buy it. Support Chatter Flow or join Uncle's Discord. Here is the SPY. It is for 100K premiums or above. I think my Discord members added some other filters as well above the ass and the ass. Okay, good job. Whoever added this to Uncle's stuff, that's a good one. That's a good one. It's good to see the ass and above the ass. It's more stronger. Yeah, overall bearish though. Overall bearish. Triple Q. Overall bearish. Uh-oh. Is it pullback time? Is it pullback time? Tesla, bullish. NVDA is bullish. Apple is bullish. AMD bullish. What the hell? All the individual stocks are bullish, guys. Amazon is bullish. GOOG is bullish too. What? It's bullish. Netflix. What in the world? IWM? IWM is bearish on the flows. IWM is bearish on the flows. Okay. Uh-oh. All right, and here is Beetle for Bitcoin. It's bullish. All right, guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Please give this video a like. Please subscribe if you didn't. And if you want more content from me, definitely join my Discord. Peace.
Would you take the wheel if I lose control? I'm still lying here. We're talking to take me home. We're talking to will you take me home? Will you take me home? Yeah.